United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 51, Existing Agreements, Traditional Fishing Rights, and Existing Submarine Cables. 1. Without prejudice to Article 49, an archipelagic state shall respect existing agreements with other states, and shall recognize traditional fishing rights and other legitimate activities of the immediately adjacent neighboring states in certain areas falling within archipelagic waters. The terms and conditions for the exercise of such rights and activities, including the nature, the extent and the areas to which they apply, shall, at the request of any of the states concerned, be regulated by bilateral agreements between them. Such rights shall not be transferred to or shared with third states, or their nationals. 2. An archipelagic state shall respect existing submarine cables laid by other states, and passing through its waters without making a landfall. An archipelagic state shall permit the maintenance and replacement of such cables upon receiving due notice of their location, and the intention to repair or replace them.